Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're going to take a look at masks in SpreadsheetWEB applications. Masks determine the formatting of the values displayed on user interface input controls and what type of data can be entered into these fields. Let's see how this works on an example. Here we have an order entry application where users can enter their order details and calculate the total cost. This application has various data fields like phone numbers, item counts, and costs. Currently, these controls are not using any data masks and showing the data entered as is. This makes it harder to tell what exactly we've entered into these fields. You can find the Masks option under the Properties menu of a specific control by clicking on it in the User Interface Designer. Please note that this feature will only be available when the Use Metadata feature is disabled. If the Pull Default Value Metadata option is enabled, the UI controls will be formatted based on how they are set in the underlying workbook. Let's begin with the phone number. For this input, we can select the mask type phone to separate the area codes and the rest of the numbers entered. Remember to press the Submit button to save your changes. Ideally, we should also add 1000 separators and currency signs where applicable. Next, let's modify the input grid where the item details are captured. You can set a mask type for every individual column in an input grid. To do this, we begin by selecting that column in the input grid and select a mask type. For the count field, we should only use integer type as we only want numbers to be entered into this field. This will also add 1000 comma separators. Next, we have item base price and the price totals. These two fields will look better with a currency mask type. Now let's do a preview and see how the application looks after these changes.